Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop, can't stop. Trap me so stanky, you can smell it through the package.
Want to know what it is when you pay your taxes.
Here are 5 things you need to do after coming back from the runs.
Runs?
Talking about the Mexican runs.
Number 5, check the news.
You gotta check the news in case anybody's looking for you. You don't want to be driving around in your hot car if the boys are looking for you and get yourself pulled over now, just because you weren't smart enough to check the news.
Number 4, check your tires.
Gotta make sure you have enough air and there's no nails in your tires. Having low air in your tires is the easiest way to get a nail in your sidewall. If you happen to get a nail in your sidewall, you're gonna need a new tire.
Number 3, check your oil.
Not having enough oil in your engine will seize or lock it up.
Number 2, don't forget the coolant.
Don't make this guy's mistakes. It's important that you check your coolant levels at the right spot. This will help keep your transmission and important engine components cool. Always double check that your cap is closed when you're done checking your coolant. Number 1 is check your boy tips for more tips on how to keep your Beamer looking good. Damn, I look good. Now it's off to get some more tire shine. Back again, a Canadian Tire. Damn, and they have this on sale. We got a whole bunch of these.
Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop, can't stop. Trap me so stanky, you can smell it through the package.